What's up, guys? Let me show you an easy way to find opportunities in the Forex market. So, one thing you need to understand, guys, number one, the market can either move up or down. Okay, it can either be in an uptrend or downtrend, and sometimes can be in a sideways trend. Okay, but for this particular video, we're going to look at the uptrend and the downtrend. Okay, and as you guys already know, the market moves in waves. It moves like sort of like a zigzag, okay? But then in that zigzag movement, there is an opportunity called a pullback entry, okay? So when the market pulls back, when it does its zigzag, that's when you can actually open up a trade to buy and open up a trade to sell. So let's look at this particular image here on the screen right now on the left hand side. You can see that in an uptrend, this is what we want to do. Okay, we want to capitalize on the natural movement of the markets when it's making its zigzag. So anyways, what I'm going to say is it's going to move. It's going to first make a movement to the upside, okay, and then it's going to temporarily move in the opposite direction, okay, against the initial trend. And then once that initial movement against the trend is done, then that means that the pullback is finished. Okay, so once the pullback is finished, that's when we can actually jump into the markets to actually open up a buy trade. Okay, same thing for when there is a sell trade. So if we are in a downtrend, okay, there will be an initial movement to the downside, okay, and then the market will go in the opposite direction temporarily, and then once it's done moving in the opposite direction, it'll continue to go down in the direction of the trend. So when the market moves in the opposite direction temporarily, that's when the pullback happens, and that's when the opportunity presents itself for us to actually open up a sell trade. So in a downtrend, we want to sell after the pullback is done or at the end of the pullback. And then in an uptrend, we want to buy when the pullback is done. And then we can open up a buy and ride the wave to the top side.